Hello everyone. Today, we'll explain the different types of remote control firmware and how to use the new firmware upgrade tools. Whether you're using an Android TV box, a PC, or a smart TV, this video will help you easily update your remote. Part 1, Firmware Overview. The same remote control may require different firmware versions for different usage scenarios. The standard firmware is used for Android TV boxes or TV sticks. The PC firmware is designed for use on computers. If you want full IR key learning for Samsung TVs, use the Samsung firmware. Choosing the right firmware ensures full compatibility and prevents key or connection issues. Part 2, Firmware Upgrade Tools. Currently, there are two types of remote upgrade tools, one 4.bin firmware files, another 4.of firmware files. Part 3, bin firmware upgrade. For bin firmware upgrades, we've covered it in detail in our previous video. You can click the previous remote control firmware upgrade link to view the full tutorial. Part 4, UFW firmware upgrade steps. Next, let's go through the steps to upgrade the UFW firmware. The whole process takes about 1 to 2 minutes. After that, your remote will be ready with the latest features. 1. Download the upgrade tool and firmware. Two. Open the upgrade tool. 3. Connect the remote control. 4. Add the firmware. 5. Confirm the upgrade. By choosing the right firmware and using the correct upgrade tool, your remote control will perform more smoothly and reliably.